Welcome to PLP. This video showcases the installation of the FIBERLIGN Bolted Dead-End for OPGW. The FIBERLIGN Bolted Dead-End features elastomer cushions at the cable entry keeper and downguide clamp to reduce strain on the cable. Shear head bolts ensure proper compressive force during installation. There is a grounding lug bolt and an identification symbol along the side of the dead end as well. Begin installation by removing the keeper bolts from one side of the dead end. Then, loosen the bolts on the opposing side. Turn the dead end to partially open the keepers and place it over the cable. Secure the dead end by reinserting the removed bolts. The dead end can now be shifted to the correct position for installation. At this point, loosely tighten all the bolts. Beginning at position 1, gradually tighten the bolts using the torque pattern to about 5 foot-pounds. Repeat this process until the bolt heads shear off at approximately 25 foot-pounds. The bolts at the end of the dead end will shear at a lower torque. Following the torque pattern helps the keepers align evenly and avoid shifting to one side. Continue to torque down the bolts until all bolt heads are sheared. Now remove the clevis pin from the dead end. Install the dead end to the structure. Remove one of the bolts from the downguide keeper. With the other bolt loose, rotate the keeper to allow the OPGW to be seated in the downguide. Torque the bolts down in 5 foot-pound increments. Shear the bolt heads for proper installation. Installation is now complete.